I'm actually working for the, couple of startup companies, and also work for one of the national labs in the country as a senior consultant. And eventually I joined University of San Diego to set up the master's program in data science. My vision for this program is to make it accessible for the wide variety of backgrounds. One thing that we need to do, and we should do that, we constantly update our courses as the field, both in data science and AI, evolve. So make sure that our courses are very updated. The idea was for us, like I said, to come up with a program that can be very practical, can be very applied, and help the students and working professional or other people who join our program to be very hands-on and teach them very practical aspect of the data science. Nature of hands-on assignment applied can help them to become very good in job market. I want them, when they graduate from a master's program, they have a fruitful career as a data scientist. The vision for this program is to make sure that students become successful and get the best out of the investment and coming to university.